today with me, I have the C Hub from the Dell 5000 something. I can't always remember that name. So we got a little manual thing, I think. Let's see. Whoa, that is some thick cable. That got some weight to it. Let's unbox everything first, I guess. Here's the cable for it. Here's the cable. And here's the, oh my god, I think that's gonna be good. That's a heavy, that's really got a lot of weight to it. Okay. That's really heavy. I don't know. Okay, well, I don't actually have time to plug this in because I gotta catch a flight. Not a flight, but an appointment. So I'm just gonna show you guys some details. So, first off, this is Thunderbolt 4, and this is an accessory for that Dell computer. Pop up on screen somewhere, and you can add another C accessory right here, and then it's got Ethernet power for what it's power, 2 3.0 USB ports, another C. And this is the first time that I've actually noticed, because on my C Hub it has like multiple outputs, but it only does like, it does duplicating, because you can't like customize it because it only has like one output. But with what Dell did is it did 3 outputs, like separate outputs. So that's really nice. 2 of them are what is it called? Display port. One of them is HDMI. Oh, there's another C accessory area. 3.0 SSSS. Another 3.0 USB. But I gotta say, this is some really thick cable. I guess there's a power button right here if you want to keep it on. Probably does drain a lot of power. So yeah, power button right there. I'll just zoom up to this. I don't know if you guys can see that though. Yeah. This thing's like 20 volts. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you guys like the Dell series, because I've been doing a Dell laptop and now Dell accessories. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions of any other things you guys want me to show you guys. And see you guys next time. Bye.